If you're stuck between Make.com and Pabbly, and just want to know which one's easier to use, this quick breakdown will help you decide fast. Let's start with Make.com. It's got a modern visual interface that shows your automation flow step by step. Each module is connected like a map, making it super easy to follow what's happening. It can build simple or complex workflows, and the real time testing feature helps you troubleshoot instantly. For beginners, it might feel a little overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's very intuitive. And now over to Pabbly Connect, it's more straightforward and less visual. You set up automations using a list style step by step setup. Is cleaner and easier to grasp if you are brand new to automation. But when it comes to flexibility and advanced features, Pabbly is a bit more limited compared to Make. So which one's easier? If you're just starting and want a cleaner interface with basic automation, Pabbly might feel easier. But if you want more control, flexibility, and visual clarity as you scale, Make.com gives you more room to grow, even if the learning curve is a little steeper at first. Both tools are powerful, but for long term use and advanced workflows, Make.com tends to win. If this comparison helped, hit like, drop a comment. If you have questions, and subscribe for more no code tools breakdowns.